Saa zingine mi hushangaa shida ya watu wengine inakuanga nini? Anyway, who am I to judge? Mm, 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 mm. Who are we to judge? Who are we? Mm, 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 mm. Hello and welcome to another episode of Cooking with Me in my kitchen space. So how about today we make pizza on a pan? That's interesting, and so I'm going to show you how I do it my way, and I hope you're going to enjoy it. So these are the ingredients that we're going to be using for today's recipe, and I'll start from this corner. We have some salt, this is warm water, this is a cup of all-purpose flour, this is yeast, this is oregano, some sugar, and some cooking oil. So I'm going to add in my flour right here, and nitabakisha tu kiasi kenye nitatumia kukandia unga. I'm also going to add my yeast. This is a teaspoon and it's about 3/4 teaspoon of yeast, and I'm going to add it on one side. I'm also going to add about a teaspoon and a pinch of sugar, then I'm going to add a pinch of salt, but tutaiongeza kwa kakona kamoja because we do not want to kill our yeast. Alafu tunakoroga hivi. I'm going to add my water. I had already measured my water, and that's about one third cup of water. I'm going to mix this. Oh, I also forgot about the oregano. So for this oregano, I'm just going to add a pinch. Yeah, that's enough. And the smell of the oregano is just amazing. So I'm going to mix this till everything is well incorporated and I've formed a very nice dough. So I see my dough is ready, and you can see the little pieces of oregano, and it looks pretty attractive. So I'm going to let this proof for about 1 hour to 1.5 depending on the temperature in my kitchen. So I'm going to use this, and I'm going to add a little bit of oil so that as my dough is proofing, it does not stick to the side of the container. We can be preparing our toppings in the meantime. So this is 1 hour later, and as you can see, this is what we have. I have my sauce, I have my beef toppings, I have my red capsicum and my green capsicum. And make sure for this particular recipe you're going to be using the female bell peppers because hizi hazitapata time ya kuiva sana juu because moto ya gas inatokanga tu chini. And here I have a generous amount of cheese. So we'll start by punching down our dough, then tuitandaze kwa pan, and this is the pan that I'm going to be using for today. So it's about 6 minutes and let's check on our pizza. Whoa, can you see that? As you can see, our pizza is ready. So I'm going to switch off the fire and yeah. Oh, look at this goodness. So as you can see, our pizza is ready and it's now time to have a taste test. Ooh. And you can also see the cheese pool. I mean, you can feel the crust. It's crusty. This is so delicious. What's stopping you from trying out this recipe? So try this recipe and let me know how it goes for you. Also check out for my other detailed video recipe of how I bake my pizza using an oven. And also you can also order your pizza. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and I'll definitely see you in my next one. Bye.